Alright, what's up everyone? So in today's video, it's gonna be very nice. First of all, I'll be requesting a payout, but that's gonna be for tomorrow's video since Take Profit only update their dashboard after 9 for me. So we'll have, if you guys wanna see that, it's gonna be in tomorrow's video. It's gonna be my second payout ever, and I've been trading for a year and 4 months. So yeah, I noticed when I put in the work, I stay disciplined, I follow my rules, I get result. So that's how it is. So that's gonna be nice. My second payout ever, and it's a pretty decent one. So yeah. Before I start, I just want to say thank you guys. We have some more subscribers, so road to 100 soon. And we have some decent views too, so I'm grateful for that. So yeah, thank you guys for the support. So yeah, let's start. So today we are Thursday, July 24. We made 940. The account balance is at 7K. What I'm gonna do tonight, when I'm gonna request the payout, I'll see if I can record, or I'll just record me getting the payout, we'll see. So I have something. Now, since I'm not copy trading and I just have one account on Take Profit, and I'm not planning on changing that because I like the way it is right now, I'm wondering, should I request a small payout so I can start scaling up? I'm allowed to have 6 contracts. Of course, I'm not going to risk 6 contracts right now, but I can start making a little bit more than what I'm making. Or should I take the whole payout? So I have 7K, I'm going to leave 2K as a buffer, 5K payout. This is USD, I'm in CAD, so I'll get a bit more, minus the fees, the percentage fees, of course, that they take profit. Regardless, personally, I think I should just take the whole payout. As a second payout, I should just take it, leave 2K as a buffer, and then just locking in, restarting, 500 for 1K, then scaling up, scaling down, depend on my balance, right? So yeah, tomorrow, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna request the whole 5K and have a nice payout for the weekends. Of course, it's not gonna go all, to waste. But I've been grinding, like I said, for a year and 4 months with no result. So I'm gonna treat myself this weekend. I will see what I'm gonna do. I've been just backtesting, grinding forever, basically doing nothing. So that's gonna be pretty nice. Just, I don't know, do a little shopping or something. We'll see. So enough talking. Let's start the recap. Today took 3 trades. First trade L, minus 500. Second trade plus 1K. And third trade plus 300 or something like that. I'll explain all the trades that I took, why I took them. So let's start. Today we had news at 9:45, red folder, so we just have to keep an eye out, right? Here, US 30. Let me do this quickly since we had nothing. US 30, 5 minutes. We had at 9:30 a sweep of London low, but if we go on the 1 minute, it was at 9:30, so it didn't count for me. And plus we didn't get any retest, so it didn't matter, right? But it was still clean. Now let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq was beautiful. Just first trade, I got scared because we had news at 9:45 and candle closed. Yeah, I'll just show you guys. Let's go to the 15 minute. So like always, we mark the sessions, highs and low. And we see, do we have any fair value gaps on the higher time frame, which is 15 minutes for now? We had this one right there. We had this one right there, but we have price in there, so it doesn't count anymore. This is fresh and unfilled. As we can see already, we had some action here. Back on the 5 minute. Today, 9:30. So I'll explain everything, my whole 3 trades. Let's go on the 1 minute. So 9:30, we filled, we swept, what is this? Asia low, right? And rejected. So it's not valid. Then 9:31, 9:32, perfect. Now this is a valid entry if we hold above, which we did. So at the pullback, 9:35, at the retest, I entered like I always do. Now I was risking for this first trade 1K for 2K, right? Since I was scaling up. Now what happened is we had news soon. 9:35 we closed below. So from there, what I did, I got scared. I was like, why did we close below? Is this a break of Asia low? Maybe to go deeper? And it made sense because I was thinking, well, price at some point is going to come and fill this fair value gap, right? So me taking a long wasn't the smartest idea yet. From there, me noticing that, I closed the position for minus 500. So right there. From there, I was just waiting. Now it ended up going up, but still, it was a risky trade because my bias was short for today. So I am waiting. 9:50, we break out of Asia lows. From there, I was like, all right, perfect. Now this is good. But since I already lost 500, I will risk 500 for 1K, one contract. We ended up getting the full TP perfectly to this fair value gap. Perfect. Like this is, you know, as perfect as take profit as it gets. Right there. From there, I made 1K. 500, 1K. I'm looking at 500 on the account. From there, price started moving up. So this was a successful fill, and now we're moving up. 10:15, we break out of London low. Plus, we already took out those fair value gaps. So from there, I'm like, all right, we're just gonna move up. From there, I risk still the same amount, 500 for 1K. I should have been done since I got my trade, right? But I took another trade. And from there, I didn't target my full TP. I just targeted enough so I can end the day on a 1K profit. Now again, here I caught myself. I understand why I took the L, and I took a good setup, targeting the fair value gap. We have a break, retest, perfect. Now here, we already took the fair value gap, we broke above, and we have a retest. We even had another confirmation at 10:25. Anyway, I took the trade, and then I closed it at about 400 profit, which led for 940. Perfect. It all made sense, and it worked out, so that's good. So yeah, I'm really happy it worked out. That's the recap for today. So yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see tomorrow, request, subscribe. And yeah, I'm just really grateful right now to be in a position where maybe 5K seems nothing, right? But that's actually decent money. Is it life-changing? No. But to be just at home trading and making that amount, of course, I still have to request it and take profit to approve it, but I should be all right. So yeah, that's what I had to say for this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and thank you guys for all the support again, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow.